Welcome to watch the diluting process of 7-108 cotton soft and smooth crude oil. This is the preparation before diluting. Please pay attention to this formula. The water in this formula can be flexibly and properly adjusted according to actual situation. Firstly, prepare all the experimental materials needed for the formula. Begin the dilution. Please prepare your high shear equipment. Pour 7-108 and the emulsifying agent into it and stir for 5 minutes. After, slowly add the mixture of acetic acid and water. Stir it fully for 30 minutes. Within the 30 minutes, it needs to be observed at any time. If you find that the rotate speed is a little slow, or there is much crude oil stuck to the wall, then you have to stop it and scrape the wall. After scraping it, please add water appropriately and slowly, and readjust the rotate speed. Keep stirring. Slowly add 1/5 water to, and scrape the wall. Stir it fully for 10 minutes. Scrape the wall to make it stir more fully. Add 1/5 water to and stir it for 10 minutes. Scrape the wall again. Add 1/10 water to and stir it for 10 minutes. Scrape the wall again. Add the rest water to, and stir it for 10 minutes. At this point, the dilution is finished. Wish to succeed to dilute it also.